Hi friends, today we are going to unbox a very big surprise. It is an auxiliary light. It is an accessory light. Quite recently I've been doing night rides. Usually I don't ride in the night, but we tried a bit and it was great fun. So what I felt was the stock light was okay. It is LED in the Ninja 1000, but still I felt that I needed an extra light for protection. So now we are going to do the unboxing of the light. So now let's see what I have here. So now this is the turtle pack. Here we have the Baja designs. So this is the light I have been talking about. So let's keep the box aside. So these are the parts that have been supplied with the packing. Now let's see what is inside it, how the lights look. I was a little bit skeptical because the Ninja 1000 has a very sleek look and I wanted a light that would complement it. This is the Baja S1 Spotlight LED auxiliary lights. So these are the things that were in the box. So these are the Baja lights, these are the LED auxiliary lights, and this is the cable for connecting it to the batteries. And these are a few of the holders and the screws and bolts to fix it to the bike, and the instruction manual. And here I have a fitting part. So okay, so these lights are it's very small and it's very tiny, and the size of this light is 2.1 inch in diameter, length and width, and everything is 2.1. so it is like a perfect square except for the rounded edges over here. So there are two lights on each side of the bike. Okay, these are waterproof. Then these are submersible. These can withstand water up to 9 feet in depth, and it also withstands a high pressure wash. So high pressure wash is also there, and it is also dust proof, weatherproof. So everything. So the life of this light is around 50,000 hours. So it is upon 1.45 amps. It is not going to take much much battery. It is not going to drain the battery much. So this I have added for extra protection, because during night rides you need to have a better view of the road, because once you are traveling at high speeds, and you need to keep up with the road ahead. So this light is around 180 grams. So this weighs only about 180 grams. It is so light and very effective. And the next thing is, like, it has a throw depth of around 500 feet. So this can project up to 500 feet, and the color is warm white. It's not white, it is warm white. So it causes less fatigue when we see the light, and next, the opposite vehicles coming will not get irritated. So the people who are coming on the opposite side, so they will also not get irritated and get distracted by the power of the light. So these are the added advantages of it. The front lens can be removed, this can be changed, and you can even change the bulb of it, and it is all what do you say, it is user friendly. The casing is a hard coated anodized aluminum, so it is quite sturdy. So as I said, it is rust proof, waterproof, weatherproof, and it is submersible, and it can also withstand the high water pressure. So once you are washing the vehicle, so it can withstand all those types of pressures. So the only drawback is, like, you need to make sure that nobody removes the light from the bike. So that will be the main concern of it. So what we need to do is, we need to do a proper electrical wiring of the bike, of the lights, and make sure that it is fitted with the 12-volt switch, any switch, like you can connect it to the headlight or whatever it is. But it is always better to have an accessory module, electrical module, to pass through. So that will make sure that there is no hindrance in the electrical wiring and the passage of the power. So where to mount it, like you can mount it anywhere in the bike. It depends on the preference of each and every biker. So I'll show you. Let's see now how to install the lights and how it performs in the night. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. As we have seen the unboxing of the Baja lights, now I have installed the Baja lights and I'll show you how it has been installed. So these are the Baja lights. S1 spotlights. So these are the Baja S1 spotlights. Probably this is the first time the Ninja 1000 has been installed with the Baja lights online, because I have done an extensive search on Google and other various websites, but I couldn't find any where the Baja light S1 spotlights have been installed on the Ninja 1000. So probably this is the first time it has been done, and now the wiring has already been done. So I'll give you the link below in the description. You can check it out how to do the wiring for installing the Baja lights. So these are the Baja S1 spotlights. So you need two lights on both the sides. So as you can see, it looks aesthetic with the bike. So first I was a little bit skeptic about it, like how the lights will look on the bike. But now as you can see, the lights are spot on. Okay, and the lights are a single LED. It is a single LED and the throw is great. I'll show you how the light is being projected on the day as well as in the night. Okay, so these lights are very small in diameter. So I'll show you the length of it. See, as you can see, the length is hardly 2 inches. It's 2.1 inches in length, breadth. So everything, and the width also. As you can see, the width is 2.1 inches. So the length, breadth, width, everything, the height, everything is 2.1 inches. It's probably a square as well as, other than that, you can see the rounded edges. Put it directly with the clamp provided with the light. So along with the stock clamp provided with the light, I fixed it here. I have fixed it on the front fender, on the upper part of the front fender. As you can see, the lights have been, the wiring has been done along with the calipers, the front brake calipers on both. So it has been done on both the sides, as you can see. So here also the same thing. The wire has been taken along with the front calipers, the brakes. So it looks aesthetic. The aesthetic part is also being fulfilled, and the purpose is also being resolved. So this is the switch. The switch for the main switch for the Baja S1 spotlights. This is an off and on. So off and on. Okay. So this is how it has been done. So this comes along with the light. So you don't have to order it separately. It is provided with the light. So this comes with the light, the switch, the clamps, and the light. So this comes as a package. Now I'm going to switch on the lights. Let's check how it is seen in the daytime. So it is always advisable to run the bike and on the lights, because to make sure that the battery doesn't get drained. It takes a little amount of battery, but still we should be cautious. So as you can see, we are going to see the distance, the travel distance of the Baja S1 spotlight. The Baja lights has a throw of 500 feet. So as you see, the black gate in front of us, the black gate over here is 100 meters from where the bike is standing. So 500 feet into it should cover 157 meters when you convert it. But let's see how far the Baja lights throw in the night. So from where the bike is standing to the black gate should be give us an approximate distance of how the light is being traveled, the distance covered by the Baja S1 spotlights. So we'll do it in the night. Friends, as you can see, now we are switching on the. Now I'm switching on the lights. Now the light is in the stock light. It's the stock light low beam. So this is the stock light low beam. You cannot see the gate. The black gate, which is 100 meters ahead, cannot be seen. Now we are switching on to the high beam in the stock light.
So you can see the gate partially. So the gate is visible in the high beam of the stock light, LED light, stock LED light, high beam, the gate is visible, whereas in the low beam it is not visible. Now in the low beam I am switching over to the Baja S1 spotlight. Baja S1 spotlight, low beam spotlight. I am going to switch it on in the low beam of the stock light. Now the Baja lights have been switched on and the stock light is in the low beam. Now you can see how the light covers the whole distance, as well as you can see how it covers in the sides. The side visibility is really great and the black gate is seen. Now I am switching off the Baja S1 spotlight in the low beam. Off, on, off, on, off. Now I am switching to the high beam in the stock light, LED stock light high beam. The gate is visible. Now I am going to switch on the Baja S1 spotlight and the high beam in the high beam is on in the stock light. On. So the Baja light is on. You can see how clear visibility is there. Off. The high beam is on in the stock light, LED stock light. The Baja is on. Off. On. Off. On. Now you can see how the light, the Baja S1 light clear covers the distance, as well as the side visibility is really great.
Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe, and do give a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos.